Good morning, children. Welcome back to our math session. Today we are solving question number 7 to 10 of exercise 2.5 linear equation in one variable. Let's start. Now we can solve question number 7 to 10. In these questions, first we have to simplify the equations, then solve. Let's see first question, that is question number 7. 3 into t minus 3 is equal to 5 into 2t plus 1. So here left side it is given 3 into t minus 3 and right side 5 into 2t plus 1. So here you can see that one number is outside, that is a common number, and other one term is inside the bracket. So we have to multiply the outside common number with inside both the numbers. So here 3 should multiply with the t and minus 3 both. Same way 5 should multiply with the 2t and 1 both. So after simplification, what we are getting? By multiplying 3 into t, 3t minus 3 into 3, 9 is equal to 5 into 2, 10t plus 5 into 1, 5. So now we got the equation like this, 3t minus 9 is equal to 10t plus 5. Now as usual we can solve. What we have to do next? Next, we have to shift the variable to left side and constant to right side. So from here, right side 10t, we can shift it to left side. Same way, minus 9, we can shift it to right side as plus 9. So now we will get 3t minus 10t is equal to 5 plus 9. 3 minus 10 minus 7. 5 plus 9 14. So next step we are getting minus 7t is equal to 14. So t means minus 14 upon 7. So we will get the value of t is minus 2. So here we are getting the value of t is minus 2. Now question number 8. 15 into y minus 4 minus 2 into y minus 9 plus 5 into y plus 6 is equal to 0. Here you can see that the variable is there only in left side. Right side nothing is there, isn't it? So first we can simplify the left side. So here we are simplifying separately. You have to solve in your notebook directly the solution. Okay. So let's start. 15 into y minus 4 means we have to multiply 15 with the y and minus 4 both. So 15 into y, 15y plus into minus minus 15 into 4, 60. So 15y minus 60. Next, minus 2 into y minus 9. Minus 2 into y minus 2y. Minus into minus plus 2 9s are 18. So minus 2y plus 18. Then 5 into y plus 6. 5 into y, 5y. 5 into 6, 30. So 5y plus 30. So after simplification, we are getting 15y minus 60 minus 2y plus 18 plus 5y plus 30 is equal to 0. This is our second step of the solution. See, now what is third step? In third step, we are putting together the variables the same way putting together the constant also. So first we can take the variable 15y minus 2y plus 5y. So first add together the positive values. So 15 plus 5, 20. 20 minus 2, 18. So remaining variable is 18y. Same way minus 60 plus 18 plus 30, that is 48. So minus 60 plus 48 minus 12. So we are getting 18y minus 12 is equal to 0. Now we have to shift minus 12 to right side. Right side only 0 is there. So it will shift as plus 12. So 18y is equal to 12. So therefore y is equal to 12 upon 18. So we have to put it in simplest form. So we will get y is equal to 2 upon 3. So 12 upon 18 we can divide by 6. Means 2 6 are 12, 3 6 are 18. So after simplifying we are getting the value of y is 2 upon 3. So that is the value of y. Now we can solve question number 9. 3 into 5z minus 7 minus 2 into 9z minus 11 is equal to 4 into 8z minus 13 minus 17. Here, left side it is given 3 into 5z minus 7 minus 2 into 9z minus 11. Same way, right side it is given 4 into 8z minus 13 minus 17. So both the side first we have to simplify. So first 3 into 5z minus 7, that is equal to 3 into 5z, that is 15z, plus into minus 3 into 7, 21. So 15z minus 21. Next, minus 2 into 9z minus 11. So minus 2 into 9z, minus 2 into 9, minus 18. So minus 18z. Now minus into minus, plus 2 into 11, 22. So minus 18z plus 22. Then right side, 4 into 8z minus 13. 4 into 8, 32. So 32z plus into minus, minus 4 into 13, 52. So after simplification, we will get 15z minus 21 minus 18z plus 22 is equal to 32z minus 52 minus 17. That is our second step of the solution. Now in third step, same way we can do. First in both the sides, put together the variables. Here 15z minus 18z minus 21 plus 22 is equal to 32z minus 69, means minus 52 minus 17. Both are negative integers. So add together and put the sign. 52 plus 17, 69. So minus sign. So minus 69. Now we can solve 15z minus 18z, that means minus 3z, minus 21 plus 22, that is equal to plus 1. Right side the same numbers. So minus 3z plus 1 is equal to 32z minus 69. Now we can shift the variable to left side and constant to right side. So from here right side 32 will shift as minus 32z and plus 1 will shift as minus 1. So next step you can see minus 3z minus 32z is equal to minus 69 minus 1. In both the side, both numbers are negative. So add together and put a negative sign. So adding together 3z and 32z, we will get minus 35z. Same way 69 and 1 minus 70. Both the side we are having sign, so we can cut the sign together. So 35z is equal to 70. So z is equal to 70 upon 35 is equal to 2. Therefore, the value of z is 2. Now we can solve last question of this exercise, that is question number 10. 0.25 into 4f minus 3 is equal to 0.05 into 10f minus 9. So in left side you can see 0.25 into 4f minus 3. Same way in right side it's given 0.05 into 10f minus 9. So first we can simplify left side, that is 0.25 into 4f minus 3. 25 into 4, 100. Then after that we can put decimal. So 1.00f. Plus into minus, minus. 25 3 jar, 75. So putting decimal 0.75. So left side we will get 1.00f minus 0.75. Then right side is 0.05 into 10f. 5 10 jar 50. Then putting decimal 0.50f. Plus into minus, minus. 5 9 jar 45. Then putting decimal 0.45. So right side we are getting 0.50f minus 0.45. So after simplification, we are getting 1.00f minus 0.75 is equal to 0.50f minus 0.45. This is our second step of the solution. Now in third step, same as usual, we are shifting variable to left side and constant to right side. Here from right side, we are taking 0.50f to left side. It will change as minus 0.50f. Same way from left, we are taking minus 0.75 to right side. It will change as plus 0.75. Now 1 minus 0.5, that will be 0.50f is equal to minus 0.45 plus 0.75, means you can subtract 75 minus 45 is equal to 30, means putting decimal 0.30, yeah, directly you can put 0.3. Now therefore f is equal to 0.3 upon 0.5. You can put, yeah, otherwise you can put 0.30 upon 0.50. Then the answer you will get f is equal to 0.6. So the value of f is 0.6. So our exercise 2.5 we had completed, isn't it? So note down all solutions in your notebook, solve neatly and practice it well. Here in these last two slides, I am giving some extra questions. It's for practice. You have to solve yourself. Then after solving, you can check your answers from here. Okay. So these questions no need to note down in your notebook. If you want, you can note down. Yeah, otherwise solve it in a rough notebook. Okay. So see the questions. First question it is 3x upon 4 minus 7 upon 4 is equal to 5x plus 12. Second question is solve x minus 2 plus x minus 3 plus x minus 9 is equal to 0. Solve it yourself. Then after that you can check your answers. Now let's see the third question. The third question is solve x minus 2 upon x plus 1 is equal to 1 upon 2. And fourth question is solve 3 into 2x minus 3 is equal to 4 into 2x plus 4. Only 4 questions are given. You solve yourself and check your answers. Okay. So maintain your notebook neat and clean and solve all the questions neatly in your notebook. Okay. One more thing I want to discuss with you here, that is related with our assignment 1. That is from lesson 1, rational numbers as a quiz. 90 children are already done the assignment. From that, 13 are got 10 out of 10, 14 are got 9 out of 10. And so many are got 8 marks also, and some are got 7 also. Means overall, all are done the assignment well. But I had seen that one question that mostly are done wrong. The question is, the reciprocal of a positive rational number is dash. So mostly are written negative. No, it is wrong. The reciprocal of a positive rational number is always a positive rational number. In reciprocal, sign will not change. Their only numerator will change as denominator and denominator will change as a numerator. If it is a negative rational number, then it is a negative only reciprocal. The same way, if it is a positive rational number, then their reciprocal is a positive. Sign will not change. Clear? Now here I am reading the name of the children who got 10 out of 10. Diya, Adya, Sri Lakshmi, Chandini, G. Sugandh, Harshita, Adhar, Kanjan, Prashant, Gaurav, Nandini Basu, Rahul Sharma, Abhishek Singh. So congratulations to all and thank you.